From the Target 12 investigators, COVID-19 executive orders under scrutiny tonight. Governor Gina Raimondo says she's confident everything she's done has been for the good of the state.
But as Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau tells us, critics say she may have gone too far.
State law allows the governor to issue executive orders for 30 days at a time, but now a local organization is outlining why the time frame of those orders may not be constitutional.
She's been there.
One example of whether that 30-day limitation for executive orders was breached involves summer events like the Folk Festival, canceled last month. According to the conservative advocacy group, the Rhode Island Center for Freedom and Prosperity, while Governor Raimondo did not shut down the festivals and other events with an executive order, she, quote, clearly violated the spirit of the law by making proclamations about not allowing large summertime crowds that were more than 30 days away.
With a balanced budget.
Retired State Supreme Court Justice Robert Flanders, one of the writers of the Freedom and Prosperity opinion, tells us the legal impact on the rights of Rhode Islanders ranges from summer festivals to religious freedom to finances.
Loss of their income, loss of their business, loss of their rights to travel, to assemble, to worship as they please. I can't imagine that there aren't going to be some lawsuits that arise out of this.
According to Governor Raimondo, her orders were done after talking with staff and legal counsel.
So I never viewed any of this really as a choice. I'm the governor. I have a duty to protect the people of Rhode Island and make the tough decisions.
Flanders and other critics are also asking where lawmakers have been during the crisis. Under the law, the General Assembly can override executive orders for a number of reasons, including if they were not ordered, quote, with restraint and moderation and with strict regard to the rights of the people.
The General Assembly has a role to play, and for whatever reason, they've gone dark and have ceded the floor, so to speak, to the governor.
The executive director of the Center for Freedom and Prosperity said the organization has not decided whether or not to file a lawsuit. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.